Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this video we're going to go over a quick process of going from this old table that I've used for at least 7 years to the Jarvis fully sit and stand desk. This is version 2. And if you guys have any questions about the desk, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them or include it in the full review. So first thing, you need to empty your whole drawers, and I've already done that. Everything is empty. All I need to do now is move everything out and take this table out. It's going to be pretty heavy. You may need 2 people if you're in a situation like I am right now.
So get some help and move your old table out. When you get your frame, it's best to take everything out and check your inventory. You should have 2 leg columns, 2 feet, 2 shelves for each feet, the motor, power cable, underside rod frames, memory control pad, the screws, and the Allen key wrenches. It did come with a mouse pad, but we're not going to use that. First thing is to lay the table top side upside down. Place each shelving feet on each end and measure 2 inches from each side and 6.75 inches from the front edge. Now this is for a 61 by 30 table. I have the 61 inches by 30 inches wide table, but the instruction manual does give this direction: 2 inches from each edge and 6.75 inches from the front edge. After that, you can assemble the feet column with the underside desk frame. Screw them together. Once you've assembled the whole frame, line the frame back up onto the underside of the table, matching up with the measurements you made earlier: 2 inches from each edge of the desk and 6.75 inches from the front edge. Once it's aligned, you can drill in the shelving feet onto the underside of the table. Now that the whole frame is screwed onto the desktop, align the underside desk frame rods, and you can see that there are 1 notch on each rod to line up. Secure that rod in place, and now the table is complete. Flipping up the table, you should ask a partner to help you out. So installation of this table is very simple. It just takes a little bit of manpower to finally get it set up. I went with the Gurton tabletop from IKEA, and the whole reason was so I could return easily if there was damage, and the shipping was non-existent because I just had to go to IKEA. It's a solid wood 1-inch tabletop versus the bamboo tabletop that Jarvis provides. And if you get solid wood from Jarvis, it's pretty expensive. This tabletop cost me $100 and the frame itself cost me $500. If you guys have any questions on the table or how it's set up or what I did to screw in the tabletop, let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.